Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the service. Nextlink Internet, found at nextlinkinternet.com, is a fixed wireless internet provider. This means they deliver internet service wirelessly, often using towers and receivers installed at your home, rather than traditional cable or fiber optic lines. This can be a great option for rural areas where wired connections aren't readily available. However, the performance of fixed wireless can vary depending on factors like distance from the tower, weather conditions, and network congestion. If you're considering Nextlink, it's important to research their coverage in your specific area and understand the potential limitations of this technology. You'll want to look into the different plans they offer, paying attention to data caps and speed tiers. Pricing can be competitive, but it's always wise to compare with other available providers in your region, including satellite internet and any existing DSL or cable options. Customer reviews can offer valuable insights into the real-world experience with Nextlink's service, so take some time to read what others are saying. Look for information on reliability, customer support responsiveness, and actual speeds achieved. Installation typically involves setting up a receiver on your property, which a technician will handle. It's essential to understand the installation process and any associated costs upfront. While fixed wireless offers a valuable alternative to traditional internet connections, it's crucial to do your homework and ensure it's the right fit for your individual needs and location. Consider the long-term costs, contract terms, and potential performance fluctuations before making a decision. Don't hesitate to contact Nextlink directly to discuss your specific requirements and address any questions you may have. Their website often includes FAQs and support resources that can provide additional information.